Domestic electronic Jacquard, compared with imported machine, have shortage in the service life of congenital deficiency, but the cost performance is higher. If the module unit fails, shall we choose module cleaning or module replacement? A short-term treatment. Module cleaning cost is about 2.5 RMB per year per frame, but cannot guarantee that the failure of the cleaned module will completely disappear. But the failure rate is acceptable within 1 year, and the next year must be cleaned. 2. Long-term treatment method. All the individual modules are updated. The input cost is about 2.5 RMB. The cost per person per year can guarantee the normal use of the machine for about 3 years. We are recommended you use Tianmai M6 modules. The input cost is about 1.5 RMB per frame per year, and the normal usage is guaranteed for about 5.5 years. The rope hook of M6 module of Tianmai. Even after years of wear, it is not necessary to replace its own compensation function, which can prolong the service life of several years after compensation. This is the special technology of Tianmai M6 modules. If you want to buy it, please click the link below to purchase the quality guarantee of National Huaming patented products. We support the 30-day return service.